Average speed of image and average speed of an object. This is an object which is placed at a distance u1 from a concave mirror m1 m2, and p prime q prime is the image. P prime q prime is the image which is formed between the focus and center of curvature. Now the object PQ is at a distance u1. The object PQ is at a distance u1 from the concave mirror m1 m2. u1 is the initial distance of the object PQ from the mirror m1 m2. Similarly, v1 is the initial distance of the real image p prime q prime from the concave mirror. We can denote the focal length. Small f is the focal length of the concave mirror m1 and m2, and this is at an instant t equal to t1. At t equal t1, u1 and v1 will be the initial distances of the object and image from the concave mirror m1 m2. Now we can consider that we can consider the position of object and image at instant t equal t2 second. For the position PQ at a distance u2, image p prime q prime will be formed at a distance v2. So here u2 is the final distance of the object and v2 is the final distance of the image at the instant t equal t2 second. u2 and v2 are the final distances of object pq and p prime q prime respectively at the instant t equal t2 second. As u2 is than u1, that's why v2 will be greater than v1. As u2 less than u1, that's why v2 will be greater than v1. That means if image distance is decreased, if the object distance is decreased, image distance will increase. Now the average speed of the object PQ. Average speed of the object PQ is given by capital U subscript OB. UOB is equal to total distance traversed by the image divided by total distance traveled by the object PQ. Total distance traveled by the object PQ divided by total time. That means U object, average speed of the object should be equal to U1 minus U2 divided by T2 minus T1, provided initial object distance is greater than the final object distance from the mirror. UOB equal U1 minus U2 divided by T2 minus T1, where U1 is the initial distance of the object PQ. Initial distance of the object PQ from the concave mirror M1 M2 at the instant t equal t1 second, and u2 is the final object distance. U2 is the final distance of the object PQ. U2 is the final distance of the same object PQ from the same mirror, at the instant t equal t2 second, from the mirror at the instant t equal t2 second, at the instant t equal t2 second. UOB is equal to U1 minus U2 divided by T2 minus T1. So the object PQ, initially it was at a distance E1 at the instant t equal t1 second. Now the object PQ will be at the distance u2 at the final instant t equal t2 second. That's why average speed of the object UOB should be equal to u1 minus u2 divided by t2 minus t1. That is the average speed of the object. Now average speed of the object is UOB, which is u1 minus u2 divided by t2 minus t1. That is the average speed of the object. Similarly, average speed of the image is denoted by VIM, capital V subscript IM. That should be V2 minus V1 divided by T2 minus T1. V image, that is average speed of the image with respect to the concave mirror, is V2 minus V1 divided by T2 minus T1. That is the average speed of the image. Average speed of the image.